In today's chapter, we will be covering what are social bookmarking sites and how important social bookmarking sites are for SEO. Basically, social bookmarking sites they plays a really very crucial role by allowing the users to save the information of the web pages online. These websites helps us to boost the visibility, to drive traffic, and enhance search engine ranking. So that's why social bookmarking is one of the very, very important activity while we perform SEO for any project. It comes under off-page activity. Let's quickly glance what are the importance of social bookmarking sites. Social bookmarking sites help to improve indexing. It helps to have quality backlinks. It helps to drive some referral traffic. It it improves the domain authority, and yes, at the end it increases the chances of your content gaining more attention and driving organic traffic. While doing social bookmarking, there should be one place where you can see the whole list of social bookmarking. Here you can see all the social bookmarking majors bookmarking along with their links are listed here. And here you can also see that if we are choosing any kind of social bookmarking site, we have to make sure that the DAPA, the domain authority and the page authority is the highest and lowest spam score, because we don't want to get links from a particular website whose spam score is high. For example, Fogged, though it has a good DA and PA, but the spam score is 7%. So I'll not be using and suggesting anyone to do social bookmarking on Fogged. Better than to go for Reddit. It has a DA/PA of 99 and 96 with a spam score of 1%. So there are some steps which we need to follow while doing social bookmarking submission. Step number one is choosing high quality social bookmarking. Like I mentioned, DAPA and spam score is the main matrix which you guys has to follow while doing quality backlinking on a social bookmarking website. Second step, when you know, okay, this is the website, for example, Reddit, I want to do a social bookmarking on this particular website, sign up for an account. Okay, most social bookmarking sites they require registration. You need to create an account with the name, email, and the website link. So do that, confirm your email address, and complete the registration process. Then, second thing is prepare your content. Now the step is, if you want to do any kind of social bookmarking, your content should be ready. You should have a proper URL which you want to bookmark with a title and a description. Okay, and you have to make sure that your description it includes the keywords, the primary keywords which you want to target for Google page ranking. Once your content is ready, submit your website to social bookmarking site, choose the appropriate category, tags, and complete the process. After your social bookmarking submission has been completely done, double check the information, and once confirmed, click submit button and post your content. It is really very important that you monitor your social bookmarking submissions. It is really very important if someone is engaging with your content, you also respond to content and again resubmit and update your bookmarks. That is the key to be achieve good online visibility and drive traffic, and this is how you can evaluate the effectiveness of a social bookmarking while doing SEO activity and an off-page activity for any project. Now quickly I'll start with some demo, the practical examples how to actual submit a social bookmarking um, link to a social bookmarking site. I'll just pick up three, four, and then you can understand how it flows. So I'll start with number one, Reddit. I have already an account with Reddit, so I'll not be creating any account on Reddit. Once you create an account in Reddit, then this type of dashboard will appear. It's a fresh account altogether. Now what I'll do, there is a sign here, button here, create post. I have clicked it already. Now it is asking me to select a community. So let me try marketing, because I am from marketing background, and whatever submission I will be doing, it will be matching to um, marketing. Okay, let's do the social bookmarking of a link. One moment, of this particular link only. Let me go to Reddit, and as I said, link, add link. And now what is the title? It is asking me to add a title, and the title of my blog is best social bookmarking sites. So this I want to do a Reddit. So I'll put, okay, it has already picked up my title. See, this is how the things working nowadays. And I click submit. It is not asking me to add any kind of description, and as you can see, it's done already. Okay, let me try another one. I'll again click create post, because I clicked a link here. Let me do with the text. So in the text, I again putting up my title. Now it's time to add some description. So I'm picking the content right away from here, and I just added the tag. Now I am not adding any link here, because there is no option to add any kind of link. So I can do it two ways. Number one, social bookmarking for SEO. I'll make it bold, and I'll put the hyperlink here. Okay, let me, okay, like this, and then I can click save on it. Another way to do the linking is I can put read more here, type this, and put the link like this, and then post it. That is how I can do submission. So this is more effective, that I have put a description and my post is awaiting moderate approval. Once it's approved, I'll get the notification. Now let's quickly jump to another social bookmarking website, which is Tumblr. Once you do the sign up in the account, this kind of dashboard will appear. Again, we have text like Reddit and link like Reddit here. I'll click on link, new link, okay, and then I'll again copy this link and paste the link and insert. And let's wait what's happening. Do you want to add tags? No tags. Okay, if you see, it has already popped up my image, my tag text, and it's asking me to add text. So I can add maybe social bookmarking sites, because my topic is like this only, and then post. That is so simple. Now I'll do another way, which is called text, like we did in Reddit. So here it is asking me for the title. Again, I'll copy the title, and then it is asking for a description. I'll copy the description, put it here, and again there are two ways to do the linking. As I said, I can bold it, and then I can link it to my relevant page like this and click done this way. Or maybe I can write here read more here and then post without tags. It is asking me to add text, so let's add some text. Social bookmarking sites, and post now. Ta-da! Done. So this is another social bookmarking website which we did. Let's quickly work on the third one, the final one, which we'll be covering today. Once you log in with the account on Scoop It, you will get a link here. Scoop without link, scoop over the link. So again, I have the link handy with me. I'll click here and I click like this. And okay, now again the pop-up has already populated the image and the text and each and everything, and that's it. Choose where to use the direct link. We can add tags here: social bookmarking sites. Okay, I'm accepting and then publish. And here we go, my scoop will be published. So basically this is all about how you can do use websites from online to do perform off page activity. It is really very simple activity to do a social bookmarking on the website. And DAPA is this key matrix to check whether we should do um, bookmarking on this particular website. And that by following these steps and guidelines, I think you will understand, I was clear enough how to do social bookmarking to boost your website SEO traffic and improve your search engines.